Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can hide a section on mobile devices in Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, we can log in into our website. Here you can add your own login details. After that, go to pages. Now we can edit one of the page. Scroll down. Here you can see all of the pages that are created with the Elementor. So now we can edit home page. Here you can see Elementor is loading. After that, now if we want to hide a section on mobile devices, how we can do that? For example, I want to hide this section. Just click here. And after that, go to advanced, then scroll down. Here you can find out responsive settings. Now here you can see hide on desktop, tablet as well as mobile devices. You can click here, and after that, now we can switch to mobile settings. Click here, and after that, here you can see top 3 options. Now click here. So we have hidden that section on the mobile devices. Now if you want to get back this section to display on mobile devices, just you can uncheck this one. So now here you can see section is back. So this is the setting for the Elementor in WordPress website.